Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix packet loss and high ping in Fortnite. Alright, so let's begin with the video. These problems are usually caused by internet connection issues, and I work through a variety of steps to troubleshoot and resolve them. The first thing you should always try is restarting your modem or router. Turn off your modem or router and leave it off for a minute. This ensures that it resets correctly after turning it back on. Wait for the connection to stabilize and then test Fortnite again. If restarting the router doesn't resolve the issue, you want to flush your DNS and perform a WinSock reset. These actions refresh your network settings and resolve potential conflicts. To do this, search for CMD in your Start menu and hit Enter. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. You might need to confirm this action. Once Command Prompt is open, use the command ipconfig/flushdns, then ipconfig/release. For next command, type ipconfig/renew, and the last command is netsh winsock reset. After entering all of these commands, restart your computer and try launching Fortnite again. If the issue persists, adjusting your DNS settings may help. So open up your Start menu and search for a control panel. Open it, and under the View by drop-down menu, select Category. Click on View Network Status and Tasks under Network and Internet. In this window, click on your active internet connection and then select Properties. From here, locate Internet Protocol version 4 in the list and double-click it to open its properties. Choose the option Use the following DNS server addresses and inputs one of the following sets of addresses. Click OK and close the windows and test Fortnite again. If it doesn't work, you can reopen the properties and set the DNS back to obtain DNS server addresses automatically. Another potential fix is closing background applications that use the internet. Open up your taskbar. Check the Hidden Icons menu and right-click on any apps that you don't need. Then choose Quit. Be careful not to close essential programs that you don't recognize. If you're using Wi-Fi, and show you a connected to the best network channel available. Many routers offer both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. To check, go to your Wi-Fi settings, show available networks, and connect to the 5 GHz option if you're close to the router. If you're far from the router, the 2.4 GHz band might offer better connectivity. Make sure you're not connected to a VPN. Even if the app is closed, the VPN connection might still be active. Disconnect it fully to ensure optimal performance. If there are multiple devices using your network, try limiting the activity. Streaming, downloads, or gaming on other devices can affect your connection. If a new device has recently joined the network, consider disconnecting it temporarily to test if it's causing the issue. Once you've optimized your network, open Fortnite and adjust the in-game settings. Go to the menu and check your matchmaking region, and ensure it's set to automatic or the region with the lowest ping. Apply the settings and test the game again. So that's basically how you can fix packet loss and high ping in Fortnite. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.